Hello everyone, in this video, I'm bringing you a really cool tutorial on how to increase the volume of your cell phone to more than 100%. Before we start the video, I wanted to warn you that increasing the volume much higher than normal with headphones can damage your hearing, so don't overdo it. I would also like to ask you to subscribe to my channel. This will help me a lot and motivate me to bring more content like this to you. Let's start the video. The first thing you should do is go to the App Store on your cell phone. When you open the App Store, you will search for the following name, Volume Booster. This application, which appeared first, is the one you will install on your cell phone. After opening the application, click on the Install button and wait for it to install on your cell phone. The application is installed successfully. Now let's open it. At first, the application will prevent some permissions on your cell phone, common. To configure volume and notifications, click Allow when these questions appear. See that below, we have several values, such as 100, 1 to 5, 150%, etc. This is where you will configure your volume. 100% is the maximum that your cell phone rings, but you can enter a higher value. But using this application, you can increase the volume beyond 100%. You can also change the volume by touching that central circle, and there is also an equalizer within this application. Browsing here on the equalizer, we can see several different music genres. You can select a genre according to the music you are playing, and it will improve the sound. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for accessing. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like on the video. I'll see you next time. Bye.